the channel. Today, I'm making my favorite avocado toast with egg, easy and delicious breakfast recipe. Take 2 avocados, cut the avocados in half, remove the pit and slice them thinly. Save a few slices for garnish later. In a mortar, add 2 slices of avocado, finely chopped onions, 3/4 of a green chili. Adjust for heat, fresh coriander, a squeeze of lemon juice, chili flakes and salt. Pound it into a chunky spread. Texture is key. Toast your bread in butter in grill pan for that golden crunch. Heat a little oil, crack an egg, and season with salt and chili flakes. Cook until the edges are crispy. This adds amazing contrast to the creamy avocado. Spread the avocado mash on toast. Add cheese. Add the omelette. Top with reserved avocado slices. Extra chili flakes, black pepper and coriander. Look at those layers. The creaminess, the spice, the crunch. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.